Good morning from Elephant Butte, New Mexico. Just woke up. That's why my hair is horrible. Just woke up, getting ready to make some coffee, and get started with the day. Van's a mess. I still haven't made my bed, but getting ready to make my bed, make some coffee. Having a really, really good hairs day, but that's okay. I'm gonna head into Tucson today. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of a hike, and then, but I do have a time that I need to be in Tucson, so I'm about 4.5 hours away, and I wanted to stop in Truth and Consequences, New Mexico, or Hatch. I want to look for some Hatch green chilies. So I don't think I've had a proper video of my rig, my van. One day I will, once I get it cleaned up and everything straightened up, nothing in the way, to where I can do it. I have a moth in here. See it? I didn't even know he was sleeping with me. I haven't had anybody sleeping with me in a long time. Thank God. No, he just flew back in. Well, let me see if I can get this moth in. Oh yeah, but by the way, new addition. I've got proper microphones. Where's the camera? I have proper microphones. So now we can do some ASMR. AMRS. ASMR, I think is what it is. Alright, let's get started with the day. I gotta get some coffee. I try to fix these hairs on my beard and everything. Headed to Alaska this week. And then I've got to head down to Denver. All business. Business is killing me. Hey, let me show you around camp. Before I make coffee and a little bit of breakfast. So I pulled in late last night. So I wasn't sure. I wanted to try to get back down there. But thank God I didn't, because there's a Jeep down there. I would have hated to run up on him late last night. Or run up on them. But here it is. It's nothing much. It's right outside of Truth and Consequences, New Mexico. It's called Elephant Butte. I'm not sure the trajectory, if that's even the word, of where this actually comes into. I'll look at it on the map and probably add that. But yeah, it's beautiful. Sun come up this morning right over that ridge. When I got in this morning, or late last night, it was completely dark. But the moon was not a full moon, but it was close to a full moon, and it's just beautiful here. But I've actually parked here and camped at this spot before, so I kind of knew this spot. I knew I could back into it and kind of have a pretty good view once I woke up this morning. But yeah, here it is. Didn't do too much yesterday. Boiled some water and made some. I had leftover Chipotle chicken wrap, and but yeah. So here it is. I was on a little bit of a lean, so I had to put my blocks out. Oh, they're sticking up a little bit. I bought the cheap ones. I don't know if you can see. I bought those cheap ones. I need to get some more for the Max Tracks. A little bit better. But yeah. I sleep with my feet that way anyway, so it's not too bad. I don't have all the blood rushing to my head. But maybe that's what's wrong with me. I don't have blood rushing to my head. I got my lava box going. Hopefully that'll. I've got another extra propane tank, but hopefully that will last me for a little bit till I can get some coffee in me and a little bit of breakfast. I think I'm gonna have some oatmeal. All right, let me see if I can do this with one hand. I need to start being a competent YouTuber. Oh, see, I can't. I guess I can look in the camera as I'm doing something. Anyways, I'm not too happy with this little pour over, because what'll happen is you pour it, try to get it in there, and it gets to the rim and you have to kind of stop. And you kind of have to wait. And you pour a little bit more. So it's kind of a pain in the butt. See what happened? You see what happened? A blowout, a blowout, a blowout. Now I'm going to be eating or drinking, eating coffee grounds. So I'm going to put this up. I'm going to make my coffee. Enjoy the sun hitting my face. Cheers. Oh. It's like an instant, I wouldn't say rush, but like an instant awakening. I did it completely wrong. And poured the water over my oatmeal instead of using the stovetop method. So now I'm boiling the water out of it and cooking the oatmeal. Oh well. And I'm using a plastic spoon. So yeah, all kinds of microplastics and everything in here. All right, let me fix this. I'm gonna have my oatmeal and my coffee. Do I have my freaking? Can you hear my jacket? Anyways, I'm really good at this. But yep, have my oatmeal. A little soupy. That's okay. My fire. My bay, lake, butte, elephant. And I'm going to enjoy the morning. How many times have I said that already? Bye. See? Told you. Bed made. Yeah. I keep all of my dirty clothes piled up on the other side of the bed because I actually left my hamper at my parents' house in Virginia. So I'm gonna have to either get another one or something. Letting my water heat up, and then I will do the dishes. It is an absolutely beautiful morning, though. Beautiful morning. This is my view. Look. This is my view. Isn't that cool? You got campers down on the... You got houseboats. All done. My battery lost about 12%. No. Yeah, about 12% on using the all the lights, heating the hot water, and yeah, just normal morning maintenance. Yeah, just normal morning maintenance. Oh, there, yeah, there's the camera. Just normal morning maintenance. It used about 12%. That's not too bad. I started it at 90% on battery, and I'm down to 63. So we're looking at about 12 hours. Not too good, but I'm not planning on staying in the same place more than a couple of days. And I'm looking at possibly getting a smart generator and using it too. So, anyways, just wanted to kind of give an update on my battery. Can you hear me? Testing, 1, 2. So this is Elephant Butte Overlook and Recreation Center. There's a little history on the dam. Here is the dam. I'm gonna have to read up on it because I don't know what channel or what, I guess what bay that is. The Rio Grande. Okay, so yeah, that makes sense. I'm not a very smart man. Anyways, so yeah, so the Rio Grande comes in, dumps into this. Ooh, look how pretty. Nice. Poop. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. Don't freak out. I didn't touch it. Yes, ton of recreation up here. I camped right over there. But it is beautiful. Cool out today too. It's about 62 this morning. It's supposed to get into the 80s, but it's just absolutely beautiful up here. Now I'm going to go on a hike. We'll see. They said it's rated as hard, so let's see how that goes. But yeah, so here's the Rio Grande, how it dumps in to the dam. Let's go hike. Cute little town. So I'm walking up the wash. There's no established trail, so a wildcat, yeah, a wildcat, yeah. That's what it's called. Anyways, so, yeah, no established trail. So I did about a mile. I'm gonna do a mile back. It's a lot of scrambling, but it's not bad. It's not like it's bad. A lot of thorns. I think I'm off trail, or whatever it is. Yeah, I'm off trail. Tons of flies. Those horse flies. Tons of them. Yeah, this is right. Okay. I'm gonna concentrate on walking. I'll see y'all back at the van. See that cave? I want to go there one day. I'm pretty sure that this trail goes down in that wash and then comes back around up through there. Sorry, but I'm not sure. I really don't have time today, but I want to come back. Hang tight. I'll see you next week. Until then, there's always a beer at the end. Bye.